Hello, this is your friend Ashutosh Dwivedi and you are most welcome guys on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. So be happy, be positive and be optimistic towards learning anything new in your life. So today I'm here with an interesting topic, sport, and I will ask few questions to myself, so it will be good for you and it will be good for me as well. So the topic I told you before as well, so the sport. So the first question is, do you like sport? Yes, I do like sport. I like very much to play and enjoy sport. So it is all about my answer. Yes, of course I do like sport. So the second question, what's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? So the question is all about the favorite sport. So I do have my favorite sport. I like very much to play cricket and this is my favorite sport. And if you do have your own favorite sport, so please do comment. So it will be better to know about you guys. So I think I would like to give an answer about this question. This is all about my favorite sport is cricket, because I do like very much playing cricket, and this is the one of the favorite sport I do have in my own life. So the third question I'm going to ask to myself, the third question is, do you often watch sport on TV? Do you often watch sport on TV? Yes, I do watch sometimes, and I'm really interested in watching cricket whenever I'm getting the match and the cricket match between India and another countries. So I would like to watch sport, and I do like watch another sport as well, like sometimes badminton, sometimes lawn tennis, and sometimes kho, a lot more games. So and kabaddi as well. This kind of a sport I want to watch on TV. So but not too much nowadays. Actually I'm not watching that much sport as well, because I want to focus over myself and I'm busy with my studies and other things, and I'm trying my level best with the communication skills. That's why I'm not able to watch that much sport, but I do watch sports whenever I'm getting mind to watch that. I'm watching that. So the fourth question, please listen carefully. The fourth question is, did you play sport as a child? Oh, really an interesting question. It is a question about childhood. Everyone has their own favorite sport, and every child wants to play a lot more games in the childhood. So did you play sport as a child? Yes, I do. Of course I did. And of course when I was a child, so I was playing a lot. I was playing a lot more games, not one, not two, more than 10 or 15. Unlimited games I was playing. So it means I played sports as a child as well. So you can also just ask this kind of questions to child, and you can ask this question to yourself as well. When you will see any child in your society, you will remember your own childhood, because when you were a child you were also playing a lot. So this is all about the question fourth, and I'm going forward with the fifth question. So it will be really interesting to tell what is the most popular sport in your country. So you can also do comment if you are watching my video from another countries. So just write, because I'm going to tell about India, because I born and brought up in India. So the favorite and the popular sport of the people in my country is cricket. People are quite crazy about cricket and they are playing cricket always. Most of the time I have seen child and children, people and the adult, every kind of people, every age group of people, they want to play cricket. So it is really a popular and crazy game and the sport in my country. So just do comment if you do have the different game in your country and a sport in your country. Please write in the comment below, so I will be able to know about another countries as well. So that my last question goes to myself. I want to ask this question to myself: how do most people in your country keep fit? How do most people in your country keep fit. Yeah, it is all about the fitness. It means like the country people, my country people, Indian people, how they want to keep themselves fit. So yes, I think nowadays it's really good because of the people of my country, they are also, I think, showing their interest in sports, a lot more games, not only in the cricket, the badminton, lawn tennis, and basketball, and the handball, football, and lots more things over there. So they are just trying to play, and they are, I think, giving permission to their, I think, kids as well to play game, so it can keep them fit. And sometimes the people, they would like to prefer to go to gym as well, because gym is also helping. So sometimes they would like to keep themselves, I think, by doing gym they want to, I think. And sometimes people, they would like to prefer to go for the walking, and I think, running, and this kind of things they would like to do to keep themselves fit. And in my opinion, I want to play, but I'm missing a lot, because I think this is COVID period, so I'm not able to go outside, and I'm not able to play that much. I think, whatever I want to play a lot, I think, cricket, and I want to enjoy a lot, and I want to keep myself very, very energetic with the cricket. And I think, but I'm missing it. The reason is only one, that is the COVID pandemic. Because of course, I'm not only the one, I think, who is facing this kind of things. A lot more people, thousand and thousand and crores people of my country and all around the world, they are just sitting in their home from the long time, and they are missing a lot to go out and play something. So this is all about the sports today, and I'm really happy to talk to you guys and give, I think, an answers about this kind of things. So thank you, and many, many thanks to you. So you can also choose your sport, and you can, I think, write in the comment below what is your favorite sport. So it will be better to know about you guys. And please, I think, keep playing, keep enjoying, because this is all about the enjoyment of your life. So it will be better for your health, it will be better for your, I think, enjoyment, it will be better for your life. So thank you so much, and many, many thanks to you. And in the last, I would like to do, I think, one request to you guys. If you are thinking my content is useful for you guys, and if you are thinking it is providing you something, and it is adding little bit knowledge in yourself, so please do subscribe my YouTube channel. So it will be better for me as well, and it will be better for you as well. So thank you, and bye bye, take care.